soon.
Okay, so here we have another box of Futera Liverpool Unique 2016 cards from Singapore. Security sealed as before. Now I think these are from the same case as the last box that I opened. So I'm hoping that inside will be a rare signed card. So here we have 4 sealed packets. 2, 3 and 4. And we have a certificate. So we're going to open the first packet. Hopefully we'll find some rare cards inside. Being careful not to damage the box when I open it. Right, here we go. Packet number 1. That's what it looks like inside. Let's see what cards we have. So these are all the standard cards. And here we have the first rare card. It's a kit card of Jordan Henderson. Some more standard cards. That's packet number 1. Packet number 2. That's the inside of the box. Let's see what we have this time. There's the standard base cards. Then we have a John Barnes Heritage card, which I haven't seen before, so that's quite a good one to have. And then we have a Lucas Superstar card. Another rare card. It's a unique game memorabilia card. And 2 more standard cards. Okay, now next we need to have the third box. And the third box I'm opening now. Here we go. Let's see what we have in here. So we have some normal standard base cards. Jordan Henderson Heritage card. Some standard cards here. And here we have Emre Can, memorabilia card. And the rest of the base cards. So one more box to go. Let's hope that this one has the signed card, and ideally a 1 of 1 card. See if I'm lucky today. Oh, look. What can we see in there? I can see something gold. So, I think we've got a rare Mythicals card in here, which is great. So there's the old base cards that we've seen before. And here comes the Mythical card. And it's Chris Lawler. Chris Lawler is the Mythical card that I've received in my box. So that's a very rare one. Quite pleased with that. And we have some more standard cards. And that's everything. Thank you for watching. Here are the rare cards that we found.